to strike for more wins ang kupunang ibibida natin ngayong gabi. Yan ang Philippine men's bowling team na naka-back-to-back gold na sa SEA Games at naka-double gold pa sa isang Asian bowling event. Let's get in the game sa pagtutok ni Martin Javier.
Not split, nor spare. Dahil naka-strike ng gold medal ang Team Pilipinas sa men's bowling team of 4 event sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games last year. That's all thanks to our Big Four: Mark Dillon Custodio, Artigal Barrientos, Mark Jesus San Jose, at Kenneth Chua. Ito na ang second straight golden win sa SEA Games ng ating mga pambato sa naturang category.
Felt very surreal po. It was also such a dream come true po.
It was fun and nakaka-proud kasi yun nga po, host country tinalo natin. Nag-set din po kami ng record as a team.
Watching the SEA Games actually live in 2019 in the Philippines, it gave me motivation to hopefully compete in the SEA Games. What a way to start my SEA Games with a gold.
My third SEA Games already.
Third SEA Games.
So, very proud ako kasi kasama ko na yung mga young ones. Pinaghirapan talaga namin yung gold.
Ang back-to-back gold na yan, di raw birong masungkit ayon sa kanilang coach.
Talagang pinaghirapan, pinagpaguran. Going to the semifinals, hindi sila pwedeng mawala para makalaro kami sa semis. Bilib na bilib ako dito sa mga to. Talagang yung focus nila, yung puso nandun.
Bukod sa swabbing footwork, dapat ay kalkuladong-kalkulado ang hold, swing at release ng bowling pin.
How do you stay sharp, especially for your competitions?
We usually practice the oil pattern. That really parang sets the scoring pace for the tournament.
We make sure lang po na every shot counts. We take time every shot.
The most important thing is you have to have composure. And siguro you have to be mentally tough.
For me, it's to focus on what's in front of me.
Sa singles event sa SEA Games competition last year, Mark Jesus San Jose also placed third.
Nakapasok po ng quarterfinals
Okay.
against one of the top male bowler dito sa Asia. Nakaka-proud kasi yung idol ko lang dati na pinanonood ko, natalo ko na siya ngayon.
At noong 2023, makasaysayan ang panalo ni na Artigal Barrientos at Mark Dillon Custodio along with their team after winning 2 gold medals sa 21st Asian Youth 10-Pin Bowling Championships. Ito'y makalipas ang 41 taong paghihintay.
It was actually my first international achievement. It was definitely a dream come true. In the Asian Championships, it was the same venue as the one in the SEA Games. It was a very intense competition.
So, what's next for our homegrown bowlers?
This year, meron kaming World Youth and then World Cup para sa mga adults and then Asian Championships.
Kailangan 10% ng body weight mo yung kukuhanin mong bola para hindi masyado magaan, hindi masyado mabigat. Buwelo ka na. Yes, sir! Let's! Mga kapuso, ngayong araw nakilala natin ang ating Philippine bowling team at na-experience natin ang world-class bowling. This has been Martin Javier.
I am Mark Custodio.
I am Kenneth Chua.
I am Artigal Barrientos.
I am MJ San Jose.
Keeping you
In the game!